Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going to be going over how to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast. Now, if you don't already know this, to start making money from YouTube, you need to get to 1,000 subscribers before you can enable AdSense, which means that YouTube will start paying you money whenever they show ads over your videos. Now, this can be a very big revenue source. In my case, I'm making about $15,000 extra per month from my YouTube channel, but there are many YouTubers who are also earning full-time incomes just by putting up videos on YouTube. So let's get into the 3 steps to growing your YouTube subscribers to 1,000 people very fast. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here. I'm going to be going over how to grow your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers pretty fast. Now, I was able to grow my YouTube subscriber base fairly fast once I really started working YouTube in this manner. And hopefully you can too. This can be an extra way for you to make money, whether you're just looking for an extra way to work from home or side income to support your family or your job or your retirement. YouTube is a great way to start earning extra money, and it's so easy and it's so cheap. It just makes sense. Now, the first step to growing your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers is you want to model your videos after proven topics that other YouTubers in your niche are putting out content on. Most YouTubers start by guessing what to make videos about, which is crazy. But you have to remember, it's not about what you want to speak about. It's about what people want to hear about. Once again, it has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with what people are looking for. And the best way to figure out what people are looking for and what people want to watch is that just make a list of the top 10 YouTube channels in your niche. Actually do this right now. Get a pen and paper out, put up a notepad on your computer, get off your darn smartphone that's destroying your mind, and start making a list. And you pause this video and make a list of the top 10 YouTubers in your niche, whether that's in gardening, whether that's in photography, whether that's in furniture making, whether that's in animal trapping, whatever it is, just pause the video and make a list of the top 10 YouTubers. Now, the next step in figuring out what people want to hear about is go to these YouTubers and in each of the top 10, go over to the videos tab on their channel. Now you can go down, there's a little filter. You can select a filter and look at only the most popular videos of these YouTubers. I know it's kind of funny. I'm wearing a Queen Elsa Band-Aid on my thumb. I cut it earlier. We only have Elsa Band-Aids. I have $2. Come on. Now, with all of these popular videos, again, the most popular videos in each channel generally are going to be the videos where the videos have more views than the number of subscribers that the YouTuber has. And just make a list of all these video topics in a document, in a notepad, something, because this is your research. These are the topics that you are going to be performing yourself and giving your own spin on. There's nothing wrong with copying somebody's title, but you're going to perform your own video about this with your own take on the subject matter. Now, the second thing you want to do to get to 1,000 subscribers fast is you need to give people a reason to subscribe. Many people just assume that if their videos get views, folks will subscribe, and this isn't so. You need to give people a reason. Request people to subscribe and give them a reason to subscribe. Tell them the benefits of being subscribed to your channel. For instance, one of the benefits of being subscribed to my channel is every Monday I do live giveaways of money. I actually take gift cards and I show them live on camera, and I give away hundreds of dollars every single Monday to my subscribers. And whoever is the quickest subscriber to enter in the code on the back of the card, whether they're getting Amazon money, here's $100. I gave away gift card on Amazon. I've given away PayPal money. I've given away prepaid debit cards, Netflix money, Roblox. I give away lots of money on my channel, and that's one reason to subscribe. I also give away tips for making money online, coming from the mouth of somebody who's made tens of millions of dollars online and is a multimillionaire. You can get really creative with why people would want to be subscribed to your channel, but you always need to give them benefits of what's in it for them. When I'm giving away money, the benefit is very clear. An example of something that is not a good benefit is follow my journey, see what I'm up to every week. Nobody cares about you. Again, you need to be very clear of how you're going to help your subscriber. How are you going to help them lose weight? How are you going to help them make money? How is your channel going to help folks make money more than any other channel? How are you going to help them learn how to trap animals better? Are you going to give them giveaways? Whatever it is, you need to make it extremely clear and you'll get more subscribers. Another great idea to get more subscribers is just utilizing all of the features that YouTube has to offer. They have end screens, for example, or they have different animations that you can use to get people to click the like or subscribe button. Video editors know how to use this. You can pick up some free templates for your videos in what's called the Envato Marketplace. You can have a link in your description to subscribe. You can have cards, which are those little pop-up things, you know, and in the top right or top left side of the video that pop up to show people where they can subscribe. Again, at the end of your video, you can have that subscribe button. You can have a link in the description. You can have cards, end screen. All these features are great ways and encourage people to use them all, and you'll pick up more subscribers. One thing I did in researching videos to figure out how to get more people to subscribe to my channel is I looked at the views to subscriber ratio of a lot of channels that were in my niche. And I looked for people and I saw there's a lot of variance. Sometimes for every 1,000 views, a YouTuber might get 1 subscriber. But then I also came across other YouTubers where for every 100 views they got, they would get 1 subscriber. So what we're seeing is a 10 times difference. And I would go in depth and I would analyze why some YouTubers get very few subscribers per view and some YouTubers get a lot more subscribers per 1,000 views. Well, I'd start analyzing the videos of the YouTubers that were getting lots of subscribers for every 1,000 views they got. And it started to paint a story. Again, that's how this video was created, was using the tips that I learned from my own independent research. So I hope that helps you out, and go out there, make sure obviously to subscribe to my channel. Click a like if you got some value out of this